Vancouver Supreme Court to bring you another important update on the BC father who spent 2 months in jail because he spoke to the public about his concerns about his child being medically transitioned without his consent, which was in breach of publication. Extended bail had lapsed a couple of weeks ago, and the judge at that time said, "We're going to give you time to get a new lawyer." His new lawyer is Miss Hiscock, and that's who's representing him here in today. Because why does he need representation? Why can't he just go on bail? I mean, that's a good question. What's happening is the government lawyer, the Crown lawyer, is saying that they feel that CD is still a risk when it comes to speaking out. They've brought up a report from over a year ago with an American media outlet where CD was very careful about what he said. He referred to himself as CD, which is what I'm legally obligated to do. And he took all of the precautions he could have, but that publication ban did publish his name. And so what this Crown lawyer has been saying is, he should maybe get more jail time. Well, I put it out to you about what was said between the Crown and CD's lawyer today.
Well, I think this entire case is probably something that the public needs to be aware of and their interest truly served. And I'm not sure this proceeding today is serving the public interest. It's probably serving Crown's willingness to, target this poor father once again. But I think what we saw today is something that should have been easily resolved. What stood out to me today was the Attorney General's lawyer saying, our position is not about the public interest. It's about the administration of justice coming into disrepute because their claim is that this individual just flaunts the law. He doesn't care what the judge's orders are. And that day, that's when the court was brought into disrepute, when truth and reality no longer made a difference. It has nothing to do with this father and the court orders prohibiting him from telling his story. No, the court lost all respect and was thrown into it.
The justice agreed that there should be some more sort of guarantee or sort of, I should say, incentive for him not to continue to speak out in interviews about his plight as a parent concerned about matters of children being transitioned without their parents' consent. And so what he did do is grant them the $10,000 promise to pay bail. So what that means is he doesn't have to pay, which is great because CD couldn't afford it.
So basically this father, he didn't give consent for his child to transition, and he's being jailed, and they're trying to, make him see a probation officer, and he went to jail for 2 months for speaking out for his child.